Hello, children. Good morning. So, hope you should have completed your yesterday's homework and read the lesson twice. So, today we will start with session 2, that's with the remaining part of the lesson. Pettida and Pongo were very sad, but Pongo had an idea. Let us try the twilight bark, he said. It is our only hope. Pongo barked in a special code. Yap and yeep and yelp, yelp, yelp. 15 puppies need your help. Calling all hounds, yippers and yappers. Please help us to find their cruel kidnappers. The message was passed on from one dog to another. It woke up Towser, a bloodhound who lived in the country. Towser's barking woke up a cat named Sergeant Tips. Tips told Captain a horse. The horse neigh woke up a sheepdog named Colonel. Tips told the others that he heard some barking at the old Devil Palace. The four of them slipped into the palace. Much to his surprise, Tips saw 99 Dalmatian puppies. 15 of them were huddled in front of the TV. Those must be the ones, Tips said. He raced back and told the other dogs. Towser then went to Pongo and said that the puppies were found at the Devil Palace. Pongo and Pettida went to the palace. There they found 99 puppies. Pongo and Pettida helped all of them escape through the back door while Jasper and Horace were watching television. After walking for some time in the snow, the puppies got tired and hungry. Some friendly cows gave them plenty of milk to drink. Pongo and Pettida knew that Cruella would be searching for them. They made all the puppies roll in a suit. Soon they were all covered in soot. They called themselves Labradors now. They got into the van that was leaving for London. One by one, the puppies got in, but the last puppy got stuck in the snow. The snow washed off the suit. Just then, Cruella arrived in her car. When she saw the dots on the puppy, she cried, "There they are!" However, the van pulled away just in time. Chasing them, Cruella drove too fast on the slippery snow and her car tumbled down a hill. It smashed to pieces. Back in London, Roger was very upset. Anita said, "I miss Pongo and Pettida so much." "I know," answered Nanny. "Sometimes at night I think I hear them bark, but it always turns out to be a dream." "Wait!" cried Anita. "Did you hear them bark?" Nanny flung open the door. "It is Pongo and Pettida with their little ones," cried Nanny. There were 101 Dalmatians outside. "We will buy a big place in the country," said Roger. "A Dalmatian plantation." Adapted from 101 Dalmatians. So reading got over. Now let us look into the explanation part of the lesson. So now see the first paragraph. Once there were two Dalmatian dogs named Pongo and Pettida. So what is the name of the two dogs? Pongo and Pettida. They lived in London with their masters Anita and Roger Ratcliffe. So what is their name? Anita and Roger Ratcliffe. Where did they live? They lived in London. Nanny, the housekeeper, took care of all of them. So Nanny is like a servant maid who is taking care of all the household works and taking care of the house. One day, Pongo got some wonderful news. Pettida was going to have puppies. Everyone was happy. So here it was understood that Pettida is a dog which is going to give birth to the puppies. So the big day arrived. The puppies are here, Nanny cried. So here if you see the big day, which is considered as the big day when all the puppies came out, right? When Pettida gave birth to puppies, it is considered as the big day. "How many?" asked Roger. 15. So how many puppies totally it was 15. Petida was really proud. They will get their spots when they are a little bigger, Nanny told her. Okay, so the puppies will be only white in color, so they will get the spots only when they grew up. That day, Anita's old friend Cruella Devil walked into the house with a long fur coat in hand. Okay, so Anita's old friend, what is her name? It is Cruella Devil. So she walked into the house with a long fur coat. What do you mean by fur coat? So fur coat is nothing but it is made with the skin of the animals. Okay, fur is nothing but the skin of the animals is called as fur. Okay, so Cruella was a rich lady, but she was a bad one. She doesn't have a good heart. Okay, she had killed many innocent animals and used their fur to stitch fur coats. So fur is nothing but the skin of the animals. So what she has done is she has killed the animals and made the coat with the fur of that animals. She wanted to buy the 15 Dalmatians. So now the puppies were they know very small puppies. She wanted to buy them. But why she wanted to buy them? She wanted to use their fur to make a coat that would make her look very beautiful. So the same way she wanted to kill these puppies and make a coat from the fur of the puppies. She was desperate to make a black and white coat for herself from the Dalmatian dotted fur. Here the new word desperate means need. Okay, so she want to make a coat with the Dalmatian dotted fur. When Cruella made the offer to them, Anita said firmly, the puppies are not for sale. So what do you mean by firmly? Firmly means very strong. So Anita said very strongly that the puppies are not for sale. Cruella became very angry. She stormed out of the house and said that they will all be very sorry. So stormed out of the house is moving very fast out of the house because of anger. Now can you see the box there? It is a choose for you. So what is the name of Anita's old friend? Cruella Devil, Cruella Devi. You have to tick the right answer and write the answer in that blank. Cruella hired two men, Horace and Jasper Baden, to steal the puppies. So what does mean by hiring? Hiring means making someone to do the work for us by giving them money. So what are the two persons' name? Horace and Jasper. Why did she call them? To steal the puppies. What does mean by steal? To take someone else's things without their permission. So stealing means they are going to take away the puppies without the permission of the owner. As soon as you get a chance, sneak into their house and grab them, she told Horace and Jasper. So what does mean by sneak? Sneak means to go very secretly, okay, without their knowledge, to go very secretly. And grab means taking something by force. Okay, soon the puppies grew bigger and developed beautiful spots on their skin. They liked watching television. The show that they liked the most was about a dog named Thunderbolt. Okay, so dogs easily they will grow within 2 months or 3 months, they will grow into their full size. Okay, so here also the puppies started to grow and now they got their beautiful spots on their skin. And they like to watch television. That too, their famous show was Thunderbolt. Okay. One day after the puppies went to bed, Roger and Anita went to the park for a walk. They took Pongo and Petida with them. So one day they took their two puppies and went to the park for a walk. But as soon as they left, Horace and Jasper crept into their house. They put all the puppies into a big sack and took them away. So immediately once they left to the park, so these people who want to steal the puppies came in and took away the puppy. So what do you mean by crept? Crept is coming without anyone's knowledge, slowly getting into the house. The question for you in the box: how many men did Cruella hire to steal the puppies? 2, tree. What is the answer? You just tick and write it in the blank. Petida and Pongo were very sad, but Pongo had an idea. Let us try the twilight bark, he said. So now, as I already told you, twilight bark is a sound which the animals use to call the other animals for help. Okay, so Pongo had an idea to do the twilight bark and call the other animals for help. It is our only hope. Pongo barked in a special code. As I told you, the special code is a sound which the animal make. Yap and yeep and yelp, yelp, yelp. 15 puppies need your help. Calling all hounds, yippers and yappers, please help us to find their cruel kidnappers. So here the dog is making a different barking sound to call the animals. That is what this is. This 5 lines mean. Okay, and calling all hounds. Hounds means dogs that can run fast and have a good sense of smell used for hunting. Okay, hounds is the dogs which used for hunting and they have a good smelling sense. And kidnappers are people who steal something by force. Okay, so who steal animal or people by force. The message was passed on from one dog to another. It woke up Towser, a bloodhound who lived in the country. Towser's barking woke up a cat named Sergeant Tips. Tips told Captain a horse. The horse neigh woke up a sheepdog named Colonel. So here every animal got a position. So say for example here we got some colonel, sergeant, captain. So all these are the positions held by the animals. Okay, like leaders, right? Tips told the others that he heard some barking at the old Devil Palace. The 4 of them slipped into the palace. So who is Tips here? Tips is the horse. Okay, so horse told that some sound was heard in the old Devil Palace. So who is that there? Cruella is living there. So that 4 of them stepped into the palace. Much to his surprise, Tips saw 99 Dalmatian puppies. Okay, so they were surprised to see their 99 Dalmatians in that house. But how much did they steal from them? Only 15 puppies, right? 15 of them were huddled in front of the TV. So what is the meaning of huddled? Huddled is gathered. Okay, all the 15 puppies which they stole were sitting together in front of the TV. Those must be the ones, Tips said. He raced back and told the other dogs. Towser then went to Pongo and said that the puppies were found at the Devil Palace. So now the animals found the puppies and informed the father of the dogs. Okay, who was it? Pongo. So Pongo and Petida went to the palace. They were found 99 puppies. Pongo and Petida helped all of them escape through the back door while Jasper and Horace were watching television. So they were helping them to take all the puppies and escape through the back door while the 2 persons who stole the puppies were watching TV. After walking for some time in the snow, the puppies got tired and hungry. Some friendly cows gave them plenty of milk to drink. So we know that the puppies were very small, so they became very tired and hungry easily. So the cows, right? So the other animals are giving them milk. So the cows are giving them plenty of milk to drink. Once they drank the milk, what will happen? They became so energetic, right? Pongo and Petida knew that Cruella would be searching for them. They made all the puppies roll in a soot. Soon they were all covered in soot. They called themselves Labradors now. So as I already told you, soot is nothing but the black powder which you get when you burn the wood. Okay, so Pongo and Petida rolled the puppies in the soot so that they became like a black colored dog. Okay, They got into the van that was leaving for London. One by one, the puppies got in, but the last puppy got stuck in the snow. The snow washed off the suit. So every puppies get into the van which is going to London, but one puppy alone stood there and the snow washed off the suit. So that black color went off from one puppy. Just then, Cruella arrived in her car. When she saw the dots on the puppy, she cried, "There they are!" So now, as one puppy's suit was washed away, Cruella found that the puppies are there in the van. However, the van pulled away just in time. So, meanwhile, the van started to move. Chasing them, Cruella drew too fast on the slippery snow and her car tumbled down the hill. So now what happened? Cruella drew her car very fast, and as the snow was slippery, she rolled the car and she fell down from the hill. It smashed to pieces, so the car now broke into pieces. Back in London, Roger was very upset. Anita said, "I miss Pongo and Petida so much." So the family is missing the puppies. "I know," answered Nanny. "Sometimes at night I think I hear them bark, but it always turns out to be a dream." So they all were expecting their arrival and they are waiting. "Wait," cried Anita. "Did you hear them bark?" Nanny flung open the door. "It is Pongo and Petida with their little ones," cried Nanny. There were 101 Dalmatians outside. So now the puppies all arrived to their home and the family was very happy because of their reunion. "We will buy a big place in the country," said Roger, "a Dalmatian plantation." So now they were very happy as they got 101 Dalmatians. So this story was adapted from 101 Dalmatians. Even when you find time, you can watch this movie. This 101 Dalmatians is available and the story is also available. Okay? Right, children. So your today's homework is page number 14 and 15, comprehension. Choose the answers and complete the sentences. So these two will be your homework. Let me read the questions for you. Choose the answers of your choice. Check if you have chosen the correct answers by discussing with your friend. Patida was dash. Anita's, Nanny's, Cruella's pet. Second question. Cruella is the dash. Heroine, villain, comedian of the story. Third question. Petida and Pongo had dash puppies. 55, 15. Your second exercise is complete the sentences. Cruella wanted to buy the puppies because she loved fur coats made from animal skin, loved feeding puppies, loved playing with puppies. Second question. Cruella was angry with Anita because Anita told her that the puppies were for sale. The puppies were not for sale. The puppies would be given to Cruella. Third question. Cruella hired Jasper and Horace to keep the puppies as her pets, steal the puppies, work in her factory. Fourth question. The TV show that the puppies liked the most was about a fish, dog, zebra. Fifth question. The puppies finally were kidnapped again, escaped from the Devil Palace, landed on slushy snow. I gave you the writing part, now it is with reading. So you read the lesson completely to do the writing work. And any one paragraph in the lesson you record and send it to me. Thank you, students. We'll meet you in the next class.